Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can essentially use the background extender on CapCut PC. I'm just going to try to find an image that I want. I'm just going to choose this one and see. So select AI Stylize and simply go to Style, select Trending, and then select either Autofill 1 or Autofill 2. Sometimes it does like inaccurate things, but it does help extend the background of your photos. For instance, you want this to be your profile picture, but it's just too zoomed in, so it just like zooms out on the photo, and this even zooms it out even more and adds more background to it. So that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!